I'm going to tell you something you probably won't believe. The real secret of successful people isn't discipline. It isn't money. It isn't even intelligence. It's something deeper, a mental skill that lets them design their own future. Stay until the end, because you're about to learn how to build a strategic mind. A mind that can even turn failure into progress. Part 1. Stop reacting. Start thinking strategically. Most people spend their whole lives reacting, not thinking strategically. They wait for things to happen, instead of making them happen. But today, you're going to change that. Strategic thinking isn't just for CEOs or geniuses. It's a mindset anyone can learn, including you. In the next few minutes, you'll see how to activate it step by step. Part 2. Personal strategic analysis. First, you need to know where you stand in life. This is called your personal strategic analysis. Look at your skills, your habits, your energy, even your fears. When you do this honestly, you'll see why some decisions kept you stuck. And that awareness alone can change your entire direction. But wait, what comes next will completely shift how you see your future. Part 3. Build a vision that pulls you forward. Now it's time to build your vision. Not a vague dream like, one day I'll be successful, but a detailed, strategic vision that gives your days meaning. Successful people don't just have goals. They have maps. And when you create your map, every move you make starts to feel intentional. Stay with me, because in a moment you'll learn how to keep going, even when things get dark. Part 4. Design your environment for success. Here's something most people never think about: your environment. The most successful people design their surroundings to push them forward. Their desk, their schedule, even the people around them, everything supports their growth. When your environment is designed right, success becomes automatic. You don't chase it, it happens to you. And soon, I'll show you how to design yours. Part 5. The career moat strategy. There's another strategy almost no one talks about: the career moat. It means building a wall of protection around your unique skill. When you create that moat, no one can replace you. Learn skills that are hard to copy, and you'll build a future no one can take away from you. But there's still one more secret. Part 6. Time, energy, and focus mastery. You've probably wondered how some people move fast without burning out. Their secret is mastering time, focus, and energy. Treat your energy like money, spend it where it gives you the highest return. When you do that, it feels like you suddenly have more hours in your day. And if you've stayed until now, it's time to hear the biggest truth of all. Conclusion: the ultimate life strategy. The ultimate strategy in life is to see yourself as a project. A project that grows, learns, and gets stronger every single day. From this moment, you're no longer one of the people who just hope. You're one of the few who plan, who design, who act. If you're ready to build that strategic mind, and turn your life into a masterpiece, hit subscribe, because this is not just a video, it's the beginning of your next chapter.